Generals. He will inbound the ball. Ariate looking to trigger the ball in. They go to Sablaon. 2 on the shot clock. Sablaon pulls up. No go. Who gets the rebound? It's with Kamsur. 4 seconds remaining. Pagpantay. Sablaon. 2 seconds. Sablaon for the win! For the win! Sablaon nails the 3. And Kamsur looks like they have tied the series. Sablaon nailing the 3. Silencing the crowd, but let's check. The referees will check if that shot will count. Sablaon knocking down that 3-point shot. We will wait for the official word. Look at the slow-mo. And looks like he got off in time. And that will count. Sablaon, the hero of Game 2. But I think the game is not yet over. There is still time remaining. 0.3 on the clock, they say.